Hi everyone, Steve Loudon back here with ES Loud International, and today I would like to do an honest review of Partnering with Anthony program, so stay tuned. I have been in the home improvement business for many years, so what I had did was something a little different than what Partnering with Anthony program does, but it's the same concept. You know, by law, if you advertise a plumbing service, you have to have your license on your truck. If you're an air conditioning company, you have to advertise that license number on your truck. Well, I live in a beautiful state of Florida, obviously. Obviously, it's not a beautiful day with the clouds behind me. But what I did different was I contacted the state and did some research and realized that I could be a sales rep, an authorized sales rep for these companies and not have to really advertise their numbers. So with my truck, I was able to sell windows, roofs, air conditioning, insulation, solar. I was doing about $100,000 a week in sales, my own personal sales, I mean in-home sales. Now with the coronavirus that hit, that really shut everything down. Everything came to a screeching halt. I'm like, okay, I can't afford this to happen. So I can't, I didn't want to deal with just one or two incomes. I needed multiple streams. So with partner with Anthony, he did something very similar online where he put an ecosystem together. He'll show you step by step on how to put everything together, and within a couple weeks you're going to realize you've already set it up. You set up your own ecosystem that now can generate income and make multiple streams of income, because he shows you how to set everything up, and then you get income from all over the place. Now, it's interesting because he took the way he did it was online, and he's dealing with millions and billions of people across the globe. I'm in Central Florida, so I was only able to focus on this area. And since everything kind of basically came to a complete halt because of the coronavirus, I'm basically up the creek without a paddle, if you could say that. So, the reason why I joined with Partner with Anthony is because I saw the potential of the simplicity. Since I didn't know what I was doing, step-by-step instructions, how to set each thing up each day, and before you know it, it's all done. And now I have multiple streams of income coming in. The only thing you need to do and be aware of is that he's going to show you more detail than any other place on how to bring more traffic in. There's so many multiple ways of bringing traffic in for your business. Now, you can build the business with Partner with Anthony, and that's just basically a stepping stone, because later on you could build your own pages, advertise other programs and services to help you make more money, and it's just phenomenal. Phenomenal. I can't say anything else, but join today. Click the link below, learn more, and let's get started.